Universal. I will be back here with another video, and today I have a special friend here. So I'm gonna be calling him Abstract for the video, because if he creates a channel, it will be called Abstract Gaming. And when he creates the channel, I'll link his channel in the description. Okay, so this is Abstract, and he's gonna tell you what we're doing today.
Today we're going to make these pictures here disappear.
So what you need is 2 pictures or 1 picture, depending on how many people are doing it. 1 Ziploc bag, but I have 2 big container like this with water in it and a marker, but you don't need to do the marker here. So first you're gonna take your picture. Here's your one, and you're going to come and go over any part you want and draw on it. But first we're gonna make it disappear. After you draw on it, or you're gonna make it disappear first, then you're gonna take your Ziploc bag, put yours into, take your Ziploc bag and put your photo in it. So this one is gonna be sideways like this here, though. It will have to be sideways, but that is okay. Let's first let Abstract put his one in.
Now you can start. UH.
So then you're gonna take your thing. Since my thing is a bit big, just gonna do like, just work it a little bit squashed. So I'm just gonna push it in just like this here. And let's check that out, guys. It's literally going invisible. Just put it right here. Abstract, you can just, it might have to squash yours. Just take that piece out and put it behind like this. Look at my one, guys. Look at that, it's actually invisible. And let's push it more in. Okay, now let's see if, no, you need to be doing it the other way so that they can see. So just push it in. Check that out. Let's see, it's going invisible. Let's just push it a little bit back here so we can see that it's actually almost invisible. And now I want to show you this other part right here. So you're going to take it out, and then you're going to come and draw over it with your marker. So my marker isn't drawing so properly over it, but if your one will draw, then you must try that there. But you're gonna need a waterproof marker. So I think you're gonna need a waterproof marker so it doesn't wash off. But basically that's the video, guys. It's very simple. So I'm gonna let Abstract here outro the video.
Okay, and see you guys in the next video. If I
Yeah.
get it, whatever.
And subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to this guy if I get a YouTube channel. Subscribe to this.
Yes. Peace.
Peace.